BAK Revolver X4s 2022 Ram Limited Ram box, multifunction tailgate. No Velcro down the sides. Locks into place. Their rails slide right into the factory rails. I did have to change out, since mine was a limited, I had to take my rails off and put the standard Ram rails on it. Unlocks and rolls up. The whole cover locks down the side by this right here. Latches the whole side all the way up on both sides. They do provide straps that go in the rail as well. So once it's rolled up, it's out of the way. You can still see through your back window and still have all your space in the bed, especially when you're putting a motorcycle in the bed of the truck. Again, we'll show this going back down. Once it's there, just locks into place, nice and secure. There you go. And it also works with the gate. There you have it. It's a great truck bed cover.